My Crown-ons, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crowned.K. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to yet another video. Like guys, this video is about this really bomb ass unit that I'm wearing. So if you're like interested in seeing like how I got it to look like this, then you should definitely keep on watching. This video is in collaboration with the Beauty here. I hope I said that right. So be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys again for watching yet another video. So just like keep on watching. So guys, we're jumping straight into this tutorial. Don't mind my little mask. It was like early and I just got up, so I was trying to do my mask and like get everything all the way together. So this hair was sent to be by the Beauty hair, and guys, they sent me their 12-inch 13x6 lace front bob wig, and this is in the highlight mix color. Guys, this is what comes in the box. You get a brochure, you get a wig cap, you also get a elastic band, and you get the wig. Also guys, they gave me some really cute clips that you can add to your hair. So this is the wig. I really love the color on this wig, guys. Like the highlights is beautiful. I want to dye like my natural hair this color. Like it's so bomb, and I'm loving the, what do you call that? I'm loving the foliage, or that's how it's pronounced, whatever that word is. I'm loving that on the front, and I'm loving the hints of browns. Like it's amazing. Not to mention guys, the lace is really nice. I didn't do anything to this lace. This is the lace straight out of the package. The parting space was so spot on. I love the knots on this wig. Like I'm really excited talking about this wig because I really enjoyed this unit. It has 3 combs in the top, guys, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The inside has a 6-inch parting space, guys, and the hair is individually knotted. Some wigs you have like individual knots only at the front, and then behind the first lines of hair you have like double knots, but this hair is individual, has individual knots all the way through, guys. And for applying this wig, guys, I'm using Ghost Bond XL, and this is my first time using this, guys, and I kind of started doing it without putting the wig on my head, so I realized, and then I stopped. So I'm literally just like outlining where I want my wig. And guys, I should have put my wig on first and measured to see as to how far down I wanted the wig, but I didn't do that, and I kind of started my wig, and then after the fact I started putting on the glue, then after the fact I put the wig on to measure it. That was a total like error on my part because I was just trying to get done. But this is what I'm doing, and I'm just taking like a clean like plastic knife, and I'm just using that to spread. You can use a popsicle stick or whatever. I don't like using a comb because the comb tends to have like oils and like little stuff, so I rather just use like a plastic knife, or if I have a popsicle stick, and I'm just adding the glue, and then I'm just spreading that out, and then I'm going to allow that to dry. And after the first coat is like completely dry and clear, then I'll add the second layer. And guys, I'm really loving this wig. I'm still like gushing over it. This wig is so amazing. I still have it on, and I never keep my installs on. The color, guys, I'm loving the color. I want to get my real hair colored like this. If I find a stylist that can get me the same color, I promise you I'm getting my hair colored like this. Guys, I have a coupon code as well, and my coupon code is Crowned10, and that gives you 10% off any wig on their website, guys. This hair again is by the Beauty here, and I really recommend this wig. Like it's so good. The cut, the color, it wasn't shedding, it's full. And guys, this is just 150% density, but the hair is so full and it looks so natural, guys. Like it's just like a really good wig. You know when I like something because I cannot stop talking about it. But anyways, guys, this is me applying my second layer after I was satisfied that the first layer is dry, and I'm just spreading that out. And guys, as I said, it would have been better if I put my wig on first and I had measured it, but I did everything kind of backwards. So we're working with it. Now that the glue is like dry, I'm just like placing the wig. And guys, when you use like lace glue, if you just like gently just like rest the hair down, you will still be able to move it. But once you like press it into your skin, then it's like stuck. So I'm just like measuring out where I'm gonna put the wig, and then after I was satisfied with where it was, then I'm just like pushing it into my skin to secure the glue. And guys, this is the hair straight out of the package. Again, I sprayed nothing on the lace. I didn't do anything to the wig. This is literally it straight out of the package, and the parting space is so beautiful, guys. Like, I didn't have to touch it. And yeah, I'm just cutting off the ear parts, and then I'll cut the extra lace off the wig afterwards. And I really like the hairline, guys. The only problem that I had, I felt like it was a little bit square, so I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and like pluck a little bit. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you feel about this wig, because I feel very brand new in this wig. Like, I feel like you shouldn't talk to me. That's how I feel. I'm like, I'm on fire. Like, don't talk to me. That's the kind of vibe that this wig gave me, guys. Like, I legit want to get this color for my real hair. Like, this hair is just like really bomb. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, and most importantly, like, subscribe. I'm giving you bomb content, guys. Like, I'm working on it. So like, subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 50K. Like, I'm trying to get to 50K, guys. So like, support your girl, become a part of the gang. And yeah, so I'm just adding some mousse. And guys, I used a hot comb on the parting as well as the front to lay it, but I did that off camera before I put the wig on. I actually did that on my mannequin head, so it's already like laid in a sense. It's already like going in the way that I want it to go, because I did that off my head and on my mannequin head just to make it easier for me. And I'm really just trying to pluck a few of the hairs, and I can't really pluck my wig when it's on my head, but I was still trying to like pluck something. But yeah, but that's the wig, guys. And then I'm going to tie it down yet again. That's after I cut the extra lace off, and I'm using like a eyebrow razor, because I find that this is way easier to handle than using a scissors. And then the ends are like kind of zigzaggy, so when you cut the lace, it cuts it exactly how you want it. Because for a lace front, you don't want it to be like straight, like completely straight, because no one's hairline grows like that, if I can talk. But yeah, I'm just cutting off the excess lace. And guys, because I didn't like measure where the lace was gonna be, a little bit of the edges still needed some glue. And what I did for the little edges that needed touching up, I put a little bit of glue on the back of my hand, and I got the end of a rat tail comb, and I just added the glue like to the little spots that needed it. And once it dried, I just pushed the lace into my skin, and then everything just melted like seamlessly. And you'll see when I'm done how laid my hair got. And I'm just gonna do that until I fill in any little areas that are lifting up. And I'd rather use like a little glue and go in and fix the extra at the edges and use like a lot, and then the cleanup process is really hard and messy. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna like move on. But once you've gotten to like this part, guys, like your job is like basically done. Like, your wig is like secured, it's on. And I use 2 layers. You can use more than 2 layers, but guys, 2 layers did just fine for me, because I've had this wig on for like 3 days and it's not budging. It's still very much there. But you can put as many layers as you want. I think you can put up to 5 layers. This is my first time using the Ghost Wand, and I'll definitely be using it again. Like, it's really good. So I'm going in with like some mousse just to like lay the hair down some more, and then I'm gonna tie it down with a rapid styling strip or 2, and I'm just gonna leave the hair to set. And then, guys, I'm just gonna run my flat iron through the hair again, and I'm going to do my edges. At first I wasn't gonna do any kind of edges, but then after like waiting for my hair to set, I kind of went in and I did my edges. So yes, guys, you can do baby hairs if you want. If not, then it's totally fine. But we're gonna do some makeup, and we're gonna come back like boom. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Like, I really enjoyed making this video. I really enjoyed this hair
man, like this hair was so bomb. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, guys. Be sure to subscribe. I love you guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.